Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today we have the Spring Pollen box from Cricut. Cricut sent this to me so that I could open it for you and let you know. So if you are seeing this and it was just released, quickly run. Don't walk. This is available for sale now. Quantities are limited, and it includes a Cricut Cutie that makes this an Access exclusive box. It looks small, but I can tell you there's a lot of things in here, so very excited to be able to show this to you. And Cricut has been doing this thing that they package it, they combine their packaging to make it more eco-friendly. The packaging is way less plastic, less waste, and I really like that. And it also doesn't take as much space to store it in my house, so I'm very happy for that. We will show you this gorgeous little cutie next, or last, but first let's see what's in here. So immediately I see this True Control weeding kit. So I have, as you probably know, the Cricut knife, which is a True Control knife kit. So that just means the accessories are basically, you can change out the knife blade. But this is really cool because you can, of course it's dirty, you can just push this button, oops, when it's unlocked, you can push the button and the tip comes out. So just to show it to you real quick, I might as well. I'm very excited for this. Don't have the weeding kit yet, but so you take off the tip that you're using, you take your pen, or your, I keep saying pen, I'm sorry, take your housing for the blade and you just stick it in there, push the pin down, stick it all the way in there, and it pulls right out. Same thing happens when you're replacing the blade. You stick it in there, it comes right out. So if you're just changing between the different blades, it's really easy to put it back and switch to the next one. And it saves your little fingers from getting poked. But the best thing I like is it has this contraption with the instructions floating around to keep it in, so you can store it like this. And I love that because I actually have a really hard time keeping these. I, for some reason, lose them all the time. And now I don't really care. If I lose it, I lose it. But it is safe when I'm not using it. So, see? That's one of my favorite things. And of course, this one comes with a bright blue, which I think this was bright blue. I just use it so much when I'm painting and doing other things that it maybe it's just dulled over time. So, and I've had it for quite a while. So there's that. Super excited for the True Control weeding kit. Next we have Premium Vinyl Removable, and this has Wild Aster and a Tropical Sampler. So this has two different sets in it. Not sure how to keep the label. I don't usually worry about keeping the label. I'm just thinking about, like, for my video tutorials, things like that. So, but for the most part, once I'm done with a product, it doesn't matter to me what the color name is. All that matters is that sorry for the noise, I like the colors. So let's see what colors we have included here. I'm going to use my blade again. So I'm just going to use this to slice the tape. And this purple is gorgeous. Ooh, that's a long sheet. I don't even know. I'll have to look up the dimensions for you. Or measure, I guess, would be a better way to put it. So So there is this one roll of wild aster, and it is big. And then that is wild aster, and then we have a tropical sampler. So this will be the tropical sampler. That's 12 inches. And we've got turquoise, a pink, yellow, and purple. Oh, and blue. So 5 sheets, 12 by 12. Very nice. Very pretty. Next, we have premium vinyl permanent, which this was premium vinyl removable. This is premium vinyl permanent in bright sage, and then premium vinyl permanent in aqua. So 2 colors in this one. Oops, I cut that. The blade's pretty sharp. Okay, so this is the aqua, and this is the bright sage. Very pretty colors. And again, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, I'd say 5 feet. So 5 feet of each of the colors. It's not bad. Like this. I'm just rolling it up so that I can show you both colors at the same time. Hopefully I did it right. Yeah, there you go. So there you go. And then we've got the iron-on. So this one had removable, permanent, and iron-on. So this one has lilac. So that one's probably 5 feet also. And then bright teal, and then orange. So 3 colors. Oh, you can see them right there. Lilac, teal, orange. It's a very floral. The name of this is the Spring Pollen mystery box. Oops, I ripped that one. So the floral colors make total sense to go with the name. Just so you can see what all is included. And my guess, and I will correct myself here if I'm wrong, but this should be 5 feet. I don't know, with the iron-on it might be less. Let's check first. How much is there? So, 1, 2 feet. 2, maybe 3 feet. Not as much, but very pretty colors. Ooh, look at that purple and orange. I'm not a big orange fan, and that is a very bright orange. We'll see what we can do with that. Okay, and now the moment you all have been waiting for. Let's open our Cutie. There's all of the different colors in this box. So there's all the different colors in this box. These are removable, these 2 are permanent, and these 3 are the iron-on. So that's pretty cool. Let's go iron-on, permanent, removable, plus this little guy. Small but mighty tool that I absolutely love. Well, I should rephrase, I haven't used the weeding tools yet, but I love the knife blade. Okay, and now, this is, I put the color on the foot already, but this is the teal sky blue. This is the sky blue, gorgeous little crickets. And what I do, I don't know, I cut off the name and I attach it to the back because I'm beginning to have quite a collection and I like to know the name of each little guy. So this one is Sky. Welcome, meet Sky. Anyways, like I said, get your box if you're interested. Again, they're Access exclusive, and I do have a code down below. It is a affiliate code, but it costs nothing for you, and I get a tiny commission for myself. So there you go. Let me know what you think in the comment box below. Also, I'm gonna make something, so after you're done purchasing, come back and watch me create, and thanks for watching.